don't earn in the name of Sardar. Culture is consciously created on face. If one has to die, they will die from their sins. What is done with love and faith cannot be done with animosity.
My only wish is that India become a good producer and no one in the country should be hungry for food.
One is the war we wage against injustice, and the other we fight against our own weakness. Satyagraha is not created for the weak or the cowardly. Non-violence ought to be observed in thought, word and deed. The measure of our non-violence will be the measure of our success. The main task before India today is to consolidate herself into a well-knit and united power. One can take the path of revolution, but the revolution should not shock the society. There is no place for violence in revolution. If India is to be benefited, it will be through non-violence. Ours is a non-violent war. It is a Dharma Yuddha.